guys, welcome back to my channel again, and today we're going to discuss some things that we can avoid when we are traveling, and if we avoid these things then we can travel smarter, cheaper and longer. So let's head on to the video. The tips that I will be sharing with you guys for this, they are written here in my phone. And for the first tip is don't eat or never eat near a major attraction site, because most of the time the food there are overpriced and they are not authentic. They double the price and yet they are not offering the local authentic dish that most people are really offering maybe 2 blocks after that place. So what we usually do when we visit a place is we ask the tricycle drivers or the people there near that place where they can recommend a place that they have this authentic local dish which is more affordable than the restaurant near that place. So that's the first tip. Number 2 tip is do not rule out hostels. I know a lot of people are thinking that hostels are dirty, dark, or they even have serial killer in that place, but now hostels are really better. Sometimes they are way better than hotels and they offer a lot of amenities and they are way cheaper than hotel rooms. So if you are on a budget and you are not that, maarte in the place, I've been to a lot of hostels, and when we went to Pagudpud, we stayed in a hostel, and yeah, the price decreased for about half of the price of the hotel that we have stayed the night before, and the room is even bigger. The room that we got for 1,500 is already good for 5 people, and the hotel room that we got for 2 persons cost 3,000 or 3,500. So I recommend you go for the hostel, girl. Don't take taxis. Okay, you heard it right, don't take taxis. I know you are afraid of commuting because you might get lost or you might sleep on the way because you are too tired or something like that. But I have an experience that I was in the airport and the taxis there are 2,500. I didn't know yet that time that NAIA is offering a shuttle going to Pasay, which have a lot of bus in that place. So I suggest do not take taxis unless you are traveling at night and you don't have the other means of transportations like the bus or the jeepneys. And only take taxis if you are sure about the place that you're going to, if you know the way. Kasi kung minsan may mga nanliligaw and they do a lot of things inside the taxi. And for my last tip for this day is do not skip your local tourist office. So, ayun. I am from Ilocos and I've been to Ilocos a lot of times, and whenever my friends visit Ilocos, they always call me so that I will be their tour guide, something like that. But there was this time when I was with Mac. I visited the local office and asked for a map, and I just found out that there are a lot of places in Vigan that I don't know, which is included in their tourist map. So if you are visiting a new place, go to the local tourist office first so that you will know what are the places that you can visit and for you to know the ways so that you will not get lost. Those are my tips for today, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And yeah, if you have an Instagram, you can follow me in my Instagram, and if you've liked this video, please thumbs up and comment down below what are your suggestions for my upcoming videos for Travel Thursday or for my other videos. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.